Wow.
What am I looking at?
Fiberglass upside down, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's upside down.
Wow.
They already have some electric wire.
Yeah, got it. Wow.
哇，點樣可以支撐住啊？
With this stainless steel pole.
哦，
Yeah, we're going to need some support at the back.
係咯，你發
Oh, yeah. I think the most impressive bit so far is actually what we just saw over there, which is the new roofs, so to speak, that will build onto this boat. I think that'll transform the boat.
Squat 嗰個船尾嘅頂部，咁你見到呢個日突出嚟咧，呢個係樓梯嚟嘅，佢就會啱啱做咗個舞步一反轉咧，放上去嘅時候咧，咁我哋要行上去咧就唔會撞頭，因為佢要界咗佢。咁佢一個活動嘅蓋嚟嘅。咁然後呢一個咧就係船頂嗰個頂
呢個都係 Scott 嗰個。
，shop 嘅，呢個係最船頂嘅。你會幻想一下，你外面望埋就有一個線條形狀咁樣。